My absolute favorite position that I held when I was a teacher was working with struggling students in mathematics. That's where I got to use them as kind of a laboratory to really dissect why they were struggling in mathematics and then why were they struggling at all. And that's when I started to learn all the other types of interventions for brain development that I learned later on. But while I was in that position, I had to develop for myself some kind of math assessment so that I could use for my kindergarten through my sixth graders to figure out exactly developmentally where they were. Because that became a passion of mine, is understanding when I realized that children learn mathematics in a developmental sequence. And most teachers, especially in the upper grades, when I taught in the upper grade, I wasn't aware of that. And so we were really confused about why our older students were struggling. We didn't realize that they were probably stuck in a phase that lies around second grade typically. So anyway, I noticed after a couple years that I was also doing similar activities for the kids who were in these developmental phases. So I wanted a way to document, to record, so I could allow other teachers to be able to replicate the activities I was doing and replicate the success that I was having with these students. Now that I understood how to pinpoint their developmental phases and then how to move them forward. So if you would like more information about the book and the accompanying tutorial that I created to teach you how to use the book and how to do all of the assessments, then click on the link that you see along with this video.